I wanted to present generation of computers in basic computers, in class of basic computers. Generation of computers. What is generation? Generation is evolution or the coming or the evolution of computers. Computer has 5 generations. The first one, first generation computer, second generation computer from 1956 to 1963, third generation computer from 1964 to 1971, fourth generation of computer 1971 to present today, fifth generation computer present and beyond. Fifth generation, first generation computer. What is first generation computer? What computers that contain at that time? First generation computer in 1946 to in 1964, computer were slow, huge, and expensive. In this computer, vacuum tube were used as the basic component of CPU and memory. Vacuum tube. In this main case, vacuum tube is used as the main components of CPU. These computers were mainly depend on a batch operating system and punch cards. Magnetic tape and paper tape were used as output and input device. In this, magnetic tape and magnetic paper tape were used as input and output in this generation. Example of is FGC, ENIAC, electronic numerical integrated in the computers. EDVAC, electronic discrete variable automatic computer. UNIVACS, universal automation computer. IBM 701, IBM 650, second generation of computer. Second generation of computer in 1959 to in 1965 was the era of transistor computer. Transistor. This computer used transistor which were cheap, compact and consuming less power. It is made transistor computer faster than first generation computer. In this generation, magnetic core were used as the primary memory and the magnetic disk and the tape were used as the secondary storage. Assembly language and the programming language like COBOL and Fortran and the batch processing multi-programming operating system were used in this computer. Example of IBM 6020, IBM 7094, CDC 6004, CDC 3600, UNIVAC 1108 are examples of second generation computer. Third generation computer. The main characteristics of third generation computer is 96 to 17. The third generation computer used integrated circuit IC instead of transistor. Single IC can pack huge number of transistors, which increased the power of computer and reduced the cost. The computer also became more reliable, efficient, and smaller in size. This generation computer used remote processing, time sharing, multi-programming as operating systems. Also, the high-level programming language like Fortran 2, 2IB, COBOL, Pascal, PL, Algol 968 were used in this generation. Fourth generation of computers. Fourth generation of computer. In fourth generation, the main characteristics of fourth generation of computer. In 1970s to present, main electronic component, very large scale integration, VLSI, and microprocessor. VLSI, thousands of transistors on a single microchip. Memory, semiconductor memory such as RAM and ROM etc. are produced on that generation. Programming language, high-level language, Python, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Rust. Cheaper and more cheaper, call it Kotlin and etc. A mix of both third and fourth generation language size, smaller, cheaper, and more efficient than third generation computer. Speed, improvement of speed, accuracy, and reliability in comparison with the third generation computer. Example of third generation, fourth generation of computers are DEC 10, Star 1000, 1000, PDP 11, CRA, CRA XMS Super Index, fifth generation of computer. The main characteristics of fifth generation of computer is present and the future. Main electronic components based on artificial intelligence use the ultra large scale integrations, ULSI technology and parallel processing method. ULSI, million of transistor and single microchip. Parallel processing method use two or more microprocessor to run tasks simultaneously. Language, understand natural language like human language. Fifth generation component, power, consume less power and generate less heat. Speed, remarkable improvement of speed, accurate and reliable than fourth generation. Size, portable and small size, have huge storage capacity. Input output device, keyboard, monitor, mouse, trackpad or touchpad, touch screen, pen, speech input recognitions, voice, and those are fifth generation and today's computers. Example, desktop, laptop, tablets, smartphones, and the others are example of fifth generation of computers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Let's subscribe our channels.